We're in St. George, Utah. We came here to get some RV warranty work done.
Hi, I'm Ray.
And I'm Pam.
We're Santana RV.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. We were camped up at Hurricane Cliffs, and our slide topper on the pop out for the awning got all twisted up at the end, and we were unable to open or close the awning. RV Nation helped us out, got us back on the road, and when it came time for warranty work, we had a hard time finding somebody that was going to be able to do it and still accommodate us living in the RV. So we came back to St. George, Utah to see them. We're at the Dixie Red Hills Golf Course, playing 9 holes. The course is really crowded today, so we'll see how this goes.
That's like a PGA course, and it's only 9 holes.
It's beautiful. It's really hard to see, but up there where the RVs are, that's the Oaks Lodge. That's where we're camped. This hole reminds me of a hole on a course we used to play back home. We went onto an island. Same thing here, sort of. Got to cross the river. Mine made it across. Hit the tree. I overcompensated for the wind, but I'm right on the edge.
And mine, both of them, made it perfect in the water. There's a deer. Squirrel. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Oh yeah. Good eye, Ray. All these deer want to cross the road, and we don't want them to cross right in front of us. We just got off the phone with our friend Mark. He just pulled into Lone Rock. We're gonna go down and get a site. We are about 50 miles from there. So this adventure has taken a nice turn. How's that sound to you, Ray?
Well, it's sounding better. But we don't know what the camping situation is.
It says it looks pretty open.
Good.
Okay. We'll see you at Lone Rock. We stayed there last night because the beach area was full. Some people have left. We decided that we want lakefront property, the better view.
Thank you for watching. If you like any of our videos, please hit thumbs up and subscribe to the button.